Okay. Do you know, guys? One person has been nominated as a good listener and cooperator of the day. Should we welcome? Huh? Should we welcome? You are not speaking with energetic. Should we welcome? Okay. तो कौन हो सकता है? Who can be? कौन ऐसा है, शख्स है जो यहां पर चुपचाप बैठा था, साइलेंट, फोकस कर रहा था. ही वॉज नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग द क्लास, ही वॉज नॉट टॉकिंग ईच अदर. कौन हो सकता है? हु कैन बी? बाबू आप क्या नाम है? येलो टी शर्ट. यू क्या और सुने? मुकेश. सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम मुकेश के बगल में. हु कैन बी? हु कैन बी? ओके. शुड आई वेलकम? Should I welcome? Okay. So now I would like to call that person who is not disturbing the class, who is not talking each other, who is cooperating each other, who is cooperating with us. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Mr. Mukesh के बगल में अजीम. Clap for him. It is not medal. What is this? It is a kind of identification. And having won this medal, you will put in your home, and in future maybe your pota poti will say that my dada won this, my dadi won this. Okay, this is kind of identification. Okay, have this. Clap for him. Okay, so now I would like to call the best speaker. Who is the best speaker? Who is? In which batch? In kids batch. We can say that Hers either Natik. Okay. So now I would like to welcome his none than anybody. Let's welcome to Mr. Saurabh. Clap for him. And this prize will be distributed by the hand of Mr. Rajkumar. Clap for him. Mr. Rajkumar sir is here to distribute this prize. Okay, Mr. Rajkumar, have this. Yes, just wait. So now I would like to call the second. Am I right, sir? I would like to call the second winner of the day. Who can be? Who can be in senior batch? Yes, in senior batch, who can be? Yes, in senior batch, who can be? I'm not talking about older batch. I am talking about senior batch. Who can be? Who is winner? Can you guess, guys? Can you guess? Can you guess who can be? Who can be? Who can be? Who can be? Do you know? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call the person who has really spoken perfectly, and who is that? From boy side or from the girl side? The way he has spoken, the way he and she has spoken also. Okay, the way he and she has spoken, that was really marvelous. I would like to welcome the person who has spoken perfectly. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss, who can be? Miss, where are you? You are not looking actually. Where is that? What's your name? Jara. Is she winner? No. What's your name? Sir, who is winner? You don't know. Now I would like to call. What's your name? Huh? Ujma. Okay, now, okay, all right. I would like to call उजमा के बगल में उजमा के बगल में कौन है भाई? Now serious. Okay, now I would like to call. I would like to call the person who has spoken perfectly. Who is that? Okay, Miss Ujma के बगल में Jara Fatima. Are you Jara Fatima? Just come, ladies and gentlemen. Our best clap for her. And this prize will be distributed by the hand of Rajkumar and Jerin ma'am. Just come and just try to distribute this prize. Clap for them. Are you weeping? Are you smiling? Are you weeping? Oh, he is weeping actually. Don't weep. It's a kind of appreciation. Clap for them. Okay, Miss, Jara Fatima, stand on here. First of all, tell me why are you weeping? What is the reason behind this? Yeah, what? फर्स्ट टाइम आई इस कोचिंग में, इसीलिए रो रही है, इसीलिए। तो कुछ आप कहना चाहती हैं इन लोग को? कुछ पॉइंट कहना चाहती हैं? हाँ।
परों को खोल जमाना उड़ान देखता है, जमीन पे बैठे क्या आसमान देखता है।
Yes, clap for her. She started weeping actually. Okay. So now I would like to call the first best speaker of the day, the first best winner of the day. Should I welcome? Who can be? Who can be? Dave. She has spoken and he has spoken. Who can be? Who can be? Who can be? कौन हो सकता है? Anyone can guess? कोई guess कर सकता है?
From which batch?
From which batch? Okay, so now I would like to call. Where? What is the name? Oh, where? Yes. What's the name? Satkin. Okay. So now I would like to call Miss Satkin के आगे जिक्रा अंसारी. This prize, sir. Okay. Where are you, sir and ma'am? Who will give? Sir and ma'am, just come. Clap for her. Now it's time to whom should I call first? Second grammar, sir. Okay. So now I would like to call who is that person here? I am unable to read what is written. Really? Who can be? Okay, now I would like to call the person who has spoken really marvelous. The way he and she was speaking, that was really marvelous. I would like to say that, and I want you to clap for Miss Sonam के बगल में Shanvi. Just come and have this our best clap for her. And I would like to call Mr. Salim sir. Just come and distribute this prize. What is this? This is study table. What is this? Okay. Do you want to sit? clap for her. Okay, so what do you want to say and what do you want to speak, because you have gotten a first position in grammar batch? So what's your opinion and what do you want to motivate to the people? What do you want to say to the people? Yeah, you should try. Yeah, you should not try. What do you want to say? I think you want to speak something. Let's speak.
ओके आई वांट टू स्पीक समथिंग खुद से जीतने की जिद है मुझे खुद से जीतने की जिद है मुझे खुद को हराना है कि खुद से जीतने की जिद है मुझ में मुझे खुद को हराना है मैं भीड़ नहीं इस दुनिया की मेरे अंदर ही जमाना है
Yes, what a nice quotation by her. Okay. So next, I would like to call the old batch. We can say that. Let me tell some of the things. What is that? Let me know. Okay. Now I would like to welcome. Who is the winner? I think she is none than anybody. She is none than. She is none than anybody. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? I want to know. Miss Mahima. I think you are. Maybe. You also don't know. Okay, maybe you. Maybe I think you know. The way she was speaking. Let me tell you some indication of that. What was she speaking? What had she spoken about? Women empowerment, not about confidence, not about culture, not about what was the topic? Insanity, not. I would like to welcome the person who spoke about culture, ladies and gentlemen. Should I welcome? So ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so now, okay, it's last. I would like to welcome Miss Sonam के बगल में, शालिनी के बगल में. You know what was your name? What is your name? साबरिन के बगल में, जिगरा के सामने Anushka. Should I welcome? Yes. So ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to call the person who has won in grammar batch, who has won in old batch. Should I welcome? Now it's serious. Let's welcome to Miss Anushka. Have a best clap for her. And I would like to welcome also to sir, just come and have this beautiful, what is this? Is it, a skyboard? Not a skyboard. What can we say that? What is this? It is a study table. Okay. It will come in your work. I will also. Okay. Okay. So you have won in grammar batch. So what do you want to say? What do you want to say? I want to know that.
Okay, firstly, I would like to thanks to you all because you have given to me this opportunity. Miss, you all have given to me first position, and Miss, I was also practicing for getting first position, but I was unable. But now the time I'm Miss today I am able and I have gotten first position. Then thanks to you all for giving. That's all.
Okay, clap for her again. Okay, so now everyone who has won, just try to come here. जितने लोग जीते हैं, first of all, just come. एक सेल्फी हो जाए, बोले तो एक फोटो हो जाए. Just come. अपना प्राइज ले लो, ठीक है. ठीक. Yeah. So thank you so much everyone and I would like to say that to my viewers. I would like to say to my viewers, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are really fantastic, marvelous, and you guys are really beautiful person.